mining, right there under the definition with my picture like this. When you look up at me, okay?
Let's go.
Hey pretty gang, I am back with another video. Today I'm about to cut my hair into a bob or shorter. I don't really know where I'm going with this. I'm just about to lead myself into a new hairstyle, basically. I'm just about to cut till I feel like I'm good, because I feel like my hair hasn't been growing fast, and my ends are all split, and I haven't had a trim in damn near a year. Like, it's been a long time, so I'm just about to get straight into the video and cut my hair. Ooh. Clean my comb. I'll show you what I'm working with. I'm a little stiff. I got oil in my hair. And you see like how uneven it is? Yeah. See even right here, back here. It's uneven, and then when I had a sew-in, I had help cutting my tracks out, and you see all of this right here? You see all of that? My hair is uneven. So yeah, I'm about to cut her. New year, new me. Let's get straight into it. I'm sorry I can't show y'all like the back. I'm trying my best to be able to see what I'm doing. I'm just following this. That's how short the rest of my hair is about to be. because I'm so happy. I've been wanting to cut my hair for a long time because it's just been uneven for too long. And I let somebody cut my hair. Yeah, and I had to, for real though, like she messed me up. My hair was even more uneven than what I started out with. So all of that letting people touch my head is over. Make sure before you move on to the next section, you comb, because sometimes you still get some long pieces in there. Hide it from you. Be happy. Like, you cannot be happy if you don't have hair that you love. You feel me? And I just was not happy with this hair. Touch your hair like that, it gives you a better show. Real hair. Let me see if I can show you underneath. On to that new year, new me, okay? Hello? I'm feeling real good about myself. Like, just all the hair that's been cut. The rest is in this jar because we're gonna burn it. Never just throw away your hair, always burn it because you don't know who out there waiting to make a voodoo doll or some crazy. Okay? Looking good. Okay, pretty gang, thanks for watching. Have a happy new year.